Students, we are given this question: z positive 3 divided by z negative 5i is equal to 1 positive 4i divided by 2. So we are expected to find the complex number. So as usual, let us consider z positive 3 divided by z negative 5i is equal to 1 positive 4i divided by 2. So we cross multiply and we get 2 times z positive 3 is equal to z negative 5i multiplied with 1 positive 4i. Z times 1 would give me z, z times 4i would give me 4i z, 5i times 1 with a negative sign would give me negative 5i, negative 5i positive 4 would give me negative 20i squared. This is for the right side. On the left side you get 2 times z positive 6. I want to move all the z's, so that would be 2z here, and I bring a negative z there, okay, and I get a positive 6 there, and this is going to be 20i squared. That's going to be negative 1. That's going to be negative 20. But already there is a positive, there's a negative sign there, so that would impact this negative 20, making it to positive. So once it comes to this side, that would become negative 20 there. Okay. So we would have 6 negative 20. Okay, because of this fact that I squared is negative 1. So that will make it as positive. So when it moves to the left, it becomes negative 20. So this is for the real part. So did I miss anything? So I have taken care of the z. I have taken care of negative 20. Now let me take I out. So if I were to take I out, this is going to be 4 times z negative 5. So this is what I'm getting. But we need z, so this representation is not going to be working for us. So I would rather write this as z times 4i negative 5i. I think this is the best way. So now simplifying this is going to give me z positive 6 added with negative 20. That's going to be negative 14. Now I'm going to move z to this side, z4i. So that's going to be z negative z4i. This is going to be negative 5i. Let me move negative 14 to this side. It gives me positive 14. If I were to take z out, it's going to be 1 negative 4i, okay, is equal to 14 negative 5i. This is what I'm getting. So if I were to bring 1 negative 4i down, I can have z to be as 14 negative 5i divided by 1 negative 4i. But this is not in perfect form, so we have to bring this in perfect form. So we would be multiplying by its conjugate. The conjugate of 1 negative 4i is going to be 1 positive 4i. We divide by the same quantity, 1 positive 4i. Now this is equal to 14 times 1, 14 times 4i. It's going to be 4 times 4, 16, 1, 56i. Negative 5 multiplied with 1, that's going to be, it's negative 5i multiplied by 1. And negative 5i multiplied with 4 is going to be negative 20i squared divided by, this is going to be 1 squared positive 4 squared. I can rewrite this as 14. Now this is going to be positive, right? So it's going to be positive 20, that's one term. Now 56i negative 5i, that's going to give me positive 51i. Now 1 added with 4 squared is 16, so that's going to be 16 positive 1, which is going to be 17 in the denominator. 14 added with 20 would give me 34 positive 51i. Now I can rewrite this as 34 divided by 17 positive 51i divided by 17. Now 17 divides here 2 times and 17 divides here 3 times. 7 3s are 21, 2, and that will give you 51. So this is Z is equal to 2 positive 3i. Okay, the Z which we started here. This is the required complex number. So that completes the solution for this question.